Turn the number 5 into a beautiful parrot with a simple and fun drawing idea. Perfect for kids, beginners, or anyone who loves creative art tricks. Just a few easy steps, and your plain number 5 will transform into a colorful parrot sitting on a branch. Great for school projects, art practice, or fun doodles. This drawing idea helps boost creativity and drawing skills while keeping it super fun. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.